didn't fucking move it. Why the fuck is it over here? Jeez. Sick of this shit. What the fuck is that? That's not my fucking bird. Who had a fucking bird in the house? Fuck! Garrett! You had a fucking bird in the house, dude? What? You had a fucking bird in the house. What the fuck is a bird doing in the house? I don't fucking know. I thought you let it in. It's not fucking mine. I'm trying to eat it. It's fucking right there looking at me. What the fuck? Is that even fucking real? I don't think so. Oh my god! Get that shit.
Oh my god.
No, it's dead.
Get it, man. Get it. Bring it back in the house. Bring it back in the house.
You gotta find out who planted it here. Let's sit back up there. Blanket stuffed in the door, man. Someone locked the door from the outside. Oh! Jesus! What the fuck is going on?